You look so funny walking underneath that.
I carry it.
Wow.
Bibi said.
Which one's the bride? You or her?
Bibi said, because you're the one you want to join, you carry that one there.
It looks so funny walking down the beach over that fence. You couldn't see you walking out there. I tried to run and get the camera.
Yeah.
You couldn't see you walking. You could just see
Especially like a
you could just see them.
That's funny.
Uh, Good morning, everybody. Good morning. You know what I'm going to say? You know what I'm going to say? Good morning from a beautiful day in the Philippines. And man, I feel good. Do you ever just get to wake up anymore in your life and just jump up, look out, so excited to get outside and do things and say, man, I feel good. But I do. I feel good. Went to bed last night feeling great and woke up this morning, man, just like, boo, ready to get after it, man, and I have been. So this morning, right now, it's only about 7 something in the morning. I've already done all kinds of things. Went and took care of my baby chicks and cleaned their cage and moved them. Went and fed my Rhode Island Reds and took care of them. And down here in this guest room, I've been in here wiring up these lights, and I got them all working now. Yeah, we got those all going now. I need to get up here with a lighter, snap them all in their holders. Got that all wired up. Got the TV here in this other guest room wired up. This mattress, we had it stored upstairs. I brought the memory foam down. Got it set up down here this morning alone by myself. Cleaned stuff out of this room. Working on stuff over in the other room. Man, I have been busy. Plus put out a video. Cleaning in the garage. Busy because I feel so good. I tell you, it's nice to have my energy back. Turn off these lights. Oh, I even worked on the sliding glass door. The company that put this door here in, this is an aluminum door, and once I dealt with this company and I was so discouraged, I said, I am going with the UPVC, not the aluminum. I'm gonna go with these pre-built doors that I can just go buy off the shelf if something goes wrong, just replace it, instead of these one-off built doors that are, what a mess. I tell you, the comments sometimes on this channel, you know, it makes it tough sometimes to be a vlogger. The comments sometimes are just absolutely ludicrous, but some of them are really wonderful. And I guess you gotta take the bad with the good, right?
Just go.
So we're here in Wilcon's right now, but we're wanting to look around for a couple pieces of furniture. So we're just going to kind of browse around in here and see what they have. Yeah, I like that right there. We were wanting a bunk bed, and this style matches a lot with what we've already bought around our place. Yeah, that's pretty cool. I like it.
It's okay, we have a mattress there, you know.
So we're looking at some little wardrobes right now, and it's kind of a off-white, maybe an eggshell color. It's got a little retro stylings to it, maybe like a little 60s styling to the knobs and all, but I like it. It's one of the things we're looking for. Well, it was a long day. We spent a lot of time going around in Wilcon looking at furniture and some other things that we needed there. We left. We went down to Mandawi Foam, the one over going out by Pavia there, and really nice place. Mandawi Foam there at that location is so nice. And up on the second floor, there's a whole lot more furniture than there is on the first floor. Man, we found exactly what we were looking for there. We found the same bunk bed for the kids' room, the exact same bed that was at Wilcon. We got it for 9,000 pesos cheaper at Mandawi Foam. Identically same to the T bed, same manufacturer. So that was a big plus. That was big savings. We also at Mandawi Foam bought 2 wardrobes, or you might call them armoires, that go into the 2 guest rooms, the 2 larger guest rooms. Man, they are really nice with mirror doors and good quality built, nice size. It's going to be really wonderful for that room. Got those at a good price. Really nice and better quality, all that stuff I'm finding around everywhere else that looks identical in every store. I got some good news. I got some really good news. Mak Mak just left my house. Now, if y'all want to know how y'all call him Mak Mak and Mak Mak, it's Mak, M-A-K, M-A-K. I told some of the family to send him over here that I need him to help me remember how we did some wiring here, which was a BS story. He knew better too. He knew what I was up to. He's so smart. He come over here, him and his girlfriend. She's pregnant. And congrats to him, by the way. Super congrats. Well, I told him, man, I need him back. And you know, he is such a honest and straightforward guy. He said, no, sir. And first of all, I'm like, what? He said, I need to finish my building I'm working on right now in the city, and we're going to finish in December. We have a deadline. And said, that is respectful right there. That's why I want him. I respect that, right? He's a respectful person. And he said, I need to finish the job I'm on first. He said, but then when I finish that, I want to come back. And his brother Ambin is working on the same job. And I told him if Ambin's work runs out, that I need Ambin here too. And let me tell you, Ambin was also valuable to this house getting built. Ambin, Mark, Mak Mak, and Joel too. And Joel's here with me right now, and I'm going to do something good for Joel also because he deserves it. Joel is also a really good guy, and I told Melinda I don't care if he has flaws or this or that. He is my friend, and I don't expect him to be perfect, and I love him. Let's see what all we got here. Hey, take Marvin, take that to that one of those back guest rooms. Yeah, the one on the corner. Yeah.
The first room?
Yeah, but
The first room?
yeah, the one on the corner. Yeah, take this one also. He can follow you there. This mattress, it's got to go upstairs inside the house there. And just go up the staircase right here. just knock at the door there or open it. They know you're coming. Now, which one is this one? So I can make sure they go to the right room. Huh? There's three of those though. One of them's for a white one, and the other two are a different color for the door sets. There's 3 of those closets. I want to make sure the sets all go to the right places. Does it say here anywhere they all one of them should be different size than the other 2, so I know which ones go down and which ones go up. Yeah, just open the door. You don't have to knock, just go in. Hey, Melinda, get one of those girls to stay there and open that door.
How about this one?
Same thing up to that blue room up top.
This one's also bro.
Yeah, all the white pieces go up to that room. we are steadily knocking it down. So we got the main part of the cabinet built now, and there's these aluminum tracks that's gonna go in all right here, and this has sliding glass doors on it. It has 2 drawers right here, 2 cabinet doors right there. There's some little shelves that set in right here, and there is a close rod goes across right here. I used construction adhesive on all this. It didn't call for that. Owning some of this stuff in the past, you know how wobbly it gets. You know, you can really shake it and move it, and the screws will end up popping out and stripping, especially if you move this furniture around very much. It's kind of furniture like you build it, you put it in place, and you leave it alone. You start moving this stuff all the time, it breaks the bottoms out, everything. So I'm trying to be a little proactive on that and have it to where maybe it'll hold up and last a little longer with all the construction adhesive in it everywhere. I guarantee it's gonna make a huge difference. I can feel it already in the rigidity of it. Like it? Same thing again. There you go. We got it done. Got it done. I have my model right here. Very good. Great TikTok mirror. Practice, practice. Nice. Got places to hang your clothes inside. You got stuff for your foldables and shelves. Nice. Yes, very nice. Locking drawer. I don't know which way it's got. Just pull it kind of hard. Just pull. It's locked. Well, we'll get. Now try it. There it is. It was locked. You got locking drawer. Then you got the next drawer and another cabinet. What do you think about it? And then we got the bunk bed, and we have this set up where there's lights right up behind this beam right there. There's 2 of them. And when they're laying in bed, there's a light switch right there. There's an outlet there, and there's an outlet over there. So if they want to charge their phones, their tablets, turn the light on and off while they're in bed, for those over there, they can. It's all right there, right in front of them. Pretty cool.